This is an update on the famous sunken rat ship. It's a sleepy town that I live in. You can see all the boats calmly bobbing out on their moorings. Who would know that a sinister fate probably awaits all of them, especially if they are unattended? I'm talking about the dreaded fate of sinking while no one's around. Where's that sunken vessel? Gotta be here somewhere. It's really hard to see it because it's underwater. Get it? Alright, here's an update on our sunken vessel. Our newly christened submarine. The famous rat boat. It's underwater. They've erected a ring around it. That's for the fuel that keeps spilling out of the hull. Coast Guard was just out here and looked at it. I guess they're going to watch and see the recovery of it when it happens. We'll try to get a few shots of that recovery and post it up when it happens if we can. So stay tuned, everybody. Get all those boats. Just think any of them sink at any time. What a drag. Here's the question of the day. What kind of fish is that? What do you suppose attacked it, or did a propeller do that? Did an alligator do it? Another fish do it? I don't know. Looks to me like an alligator gar, or just a regular gar and something ate off the long nose. Definitely something nasty got a hold of it. What do you think? What the hell is it?